Okay, guess what we get to play with tonight? Yep, a drone with a camera. Cool. And on top of that, you guys saw my video I made the other day about crossbows. And so check this bad boy out. Oops. Still in the box, unopened. So I'm thinking we can fly this drone and shoot it down with this crossbow. Sound like a good idea, Ron?
No.
It's the best idea. We're going to shoot down a drone with a crossbow. Ah.
Okay, so my idea didn't happen yet, but I think I'd talk him into it. A drone versus a crossbow. I think I had away with it. We'll see. But this is like part one for the. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be a short part two. Depends if he wants to do it or not. Who the fuck wouldn't want to fucking blast a fucking drone with a crossbow? So I don't know. I don't know.